Good afternoon. Welcome to the Enchanted Quilt, and I'm Kathy, and we're here to do our Friday afternoon unboxing of our inventory that we got in this week. We got quite a bit of stuff in. It's been sitting here. Most of it came in, I think, on Tuesday. So let's see what we have. All right, we got some Martelli rotary cutters. They have a right and a left-handed one. That's the right-handed one. We were out replenishing that. We got some long arm pins in. I use those. I really like them. So if you have a mid arm or a long arm, those are great. Looks like we got some replenished our thread stock. We have some black and we have white. And a tan. So we've got those back in. We're getting low. This is a long arm quilting tool. You can also use it on your domestic sewing machine. Creative Grids makes it, but it's designed by Angela Walters, and if you've been following the ladies online that are very, very good at quilting on their domestic sewing machines, she's one of them. Alright, we've got a couple bolts of fabric. We got some more shadow play in this green. And then we got this purple, which is a reproduction quilt. We're going to fabric. We're going to get some more reproduction fabrics in. I'm going to expand on that. I think we've got a lot of ladies that like it. Never really carried much of it before, but where they put more stuff in these boxes than they do anything. Alright, new pattern. For those of you that love the Jelly Roll rugs, now this is not put out by the same designer that did the Jelly Roll rug, the round one, the oval one, and the rectangle one. This is put out by Shabby Fabrics, and it is a half rug. So it will look great like in front of your kitchen sink or in your bathroom or what have you. But I think these are in color. I think it's a really thick pattern. I need to take it out and look at it. Oh yeah, it says color. Color photo instructions. So those of you that are really visual will like that. Okay. New book. It's called On a Roll. It's Moda. Their designers put this out. And they each have a quilt in here made with 2.5 inch strips. I haven't even gotten to look at any of these because they're brand new. Okay, these are just as cute as can be. Alright, if you need a seam guide for on your machine, these are seam guides. And we have a little sewing machine, so they're magnetic. We've got a little sewing machine, we've got a zipper, and we got a 1 inch measuring tape. And let's see if it says anything on here. It says it's not recommended for computerized sewing machines. So these might be good for your featherweights or some of your other types of machines that you have that, that might need a seam guide. Got this pretty pink Olfa mat. It's a 12 by 18 inch mat. Those are great for sitting right beside you so you don't keep jumping up and down. And remember the woolly mats that we have? This is the big ironing board. So if you have one of those big boards, This is a cover that you can actually put on your big board. They're kind of pricey, but we've been using it. We like it. All you Lori Holt fans will like this. She has some new tape measures out. Let me see if I can get it out here. They're called Vintage Tape Measures, and they're fabric covered. And so you can see, and it's got a little button there for it to retract. But she's got a kind of a turquoisey one, a yellow, a pink, and this little white one. Got those. She also has some new design boards out. We've got 2 of the 10-inch ones in, and we've got 2 of the big ones. And what these are for is when you're cutting pieces. Matter of fact, I just had this discussion the other week with several people. And you cut the pieces and you lay them down, you carry them to your sewing machine, and you sew them backwards. If you lay them on here and then carry them to your sewing machine, you'll have them all laid out, and then you can put them together and you won't get them turned around as easily. So we got those in. Just a reminder, next Friday and Saturday is our ruler demo days. We've changed the times up a little bit. Fridays will be at 2 o'clock. And Saturdays we'll have one in the morning at 10 o'clock. So we've kind of, so those of you that are morning people, come Saturday. Alright, we got some fabric. It's another reproduction color, a real pretty lavender. And a rose. And we got a 120-inch wide, 200 count muslin. This is the really good quality muslin. Get it out here. I hate that they call it muslin because it's prettier than what I picture muslin to be. I bet this is just a single bolt. This had been on back order. This was one of our basics. It's a, what's this one called? I imagine that's just red. This looks like another single bolt. When stuff's on back order, then when they get it in, they ship it, and so they just ship one single bolt. Yep. Okay, this is our pink swirl. That was on back order. Uh-oh, just knocked the box over. All right, we've got another basic that we were out of. It's a royal blue swirl. This is a basic batik from Moda, and it is, what's this called? Dutch blue. It's a pretty blue. And our Bella solid white that we go through a lot of. Alright. This is a heavy, heavy box. I'm not going to try to pick it up. Do it this way. some more reproduction fabrics. A nice tan background piece. It's a real pretty lavender, kind of a orchid color. This is French General. This is one of their basics. It's their brown. It's really rich looking. It looks like linen to me. And we've got a pale rose. A lavender. And then this is called a purple. It's a deep purple reproduction. Another tan background piece. And a red. So that'll kind of get us started. We have a few pieces here, but that'll get us started and filling up our reproduction lines. And I guess that's about it. Now we're going to do our drawing for our $10 gift certificate starting next Friday for 3 weeks. We're still going to do the drawing, but it's not going to be for the gift certificate. We're going to give away 4 patterns a week for 3 weeks for this little Easter bunny. And she's really, really cute. And then the last week we'll give away 4 patterns, and the last person drawn will actually win this bunny. So she's really cute. Lisa put a lot of work into her. She did a great job on it. So in light of Easter, we decided to do that. And we've got Miss Quilty is going to do our drawing. Jeannie Richmond, you are the winner of our Facebook Live drawing. I will pop that in the mail to you on Monday. With that, have a great weekend and see you next Friday.